In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat or contact eBay customer service. Whether you're a buyer tracking a delivery or a seller resolving a listing issue, getting help from eBay is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the exact path to reach eBay's support options, including chat, and share a few tips to make the process smoother. Start on eBay's homepage and look for the Help and Contact link. You'll usually find it at the top of the page in the main navigation, and it's often repeated in the footer as well. Before you click, it helps to sign in to your account. Being signed in lets eBay tailor support to your recent orders and activity, which can speed things up once you reach an agent. On the Help and Contact page, you'll see a prominent search box. Type a short, clear description of what you need, like missing package, return label, refund status, or account verification. Keep it simple and use the keywords you'd say to a real person. Press enter. eBay will show recommended help articles and quick actions related to your issue. Skimming these is worth it. They often answer common questions, and clicking into a relevant article can unlock direct support routes for that exact topic. If you still need assistance after that, look for the section labeled Need More Help. This area typically appears below the suggestions or after you've opened an article. Click the prompt there to move beyond self-service and into live support options. Next, click Contact Us. You'll be asked to choose a topic and sometimes an order or item, so pick the one that best matches what you typed earlier. Selecting the right category helps eBay route you to the correct team. From here, you'll see the available ways to reach eBay. Chat is often the fastest. Click to start a chat and you'll usually begin with an automated assistant. Describe your issue clearly. If you need a human agent, look for a button or type a short request like agent or representative when prompted. Keep your order number, item details, and any screenshots handy so you can paste information quickly. Stay in the chat window until the conversation is complete, and if a transcript or case number is offered at the end, save it for your records. That's it. Click Help and Contact. Use the search box, go to Need More Help, then choose Contact Us to access chat and other support options. Follow these steps and you'll get to the right place without the runaround.